Hey, this is Mike Drew from the class of 2016. I was a communication major at Westfield, and it was by far the best possible college experience I ever could have had.
I concentrated in media arts and analysis and public relations, so I had abundance of classes and endless opportunities at Westfield that I hope you'll take advantage of if you consider being a communication major at Westfield State.
Hello, my name is Eric Jones, class of 2009, Westfield State University Communication Department.
Hi, I'm Saidalis Bauer, and I graduated from Westfield State University in 2011.
I'm Matt Amaral, class of 2011, Westfield State University alumni.
The communication department is amazing.
Hey everyone, my name is Louis. I graduated from Westfield State University May of 2020 with a degree in communication. You can't see it right now, but that's it right there.
There are so many great classes in the comm department, so many great classes in the media arts and analysis concentration, and it is just a great place to learn inside the classroom, but there are also so many amazing opportunities to learn outside of the classroom.
A lot that the communications department can do for you for your future.
They allowed me to work on a professional television show called As Schools Match Wits. How many college kids get the chance to say that?
I was able to be in the control room, I worked the buzzer a few times, but I also assisted the students with interview questions.
I was able to host a couple things and ask questions to schools and, a couple takes here, a couple takes there.
As Schools Match Wits taught me how to work in a high energy, intense environment.
Which really helps you with your camera work, production, and just looking at what a professional atmosphere will look like.
Not many schools have a fully functioning TV studio where they film a broadcast TV show almost every weekend. And Westfield State has that.
Look, the faculty and staff at Westfield went out of their way and above and beyond to allow me to customize my education into the things that I was interested in.
I joined the TV club, and in the TV club, I pitched an idea I had about a talk show. And a lot of the students were excited. They liked the idea, like, let's do it.
You want to learn how to run a studio camera, you can try that. You can learn how to run audio, you can direct, you can write. You can try all of the things and figure out what you're most interested in and what you want to pursue further. And that's what's great about TV Club.
I'm working at WGBY New England Public Media in Springfield as a host and producer for their shows Connecting Point and Presencia.
Now a director at NBC 10 Boston, NECN, Telemundo Boston, and NBC Sports Boston.
I also just secured a position starting in January as a content creator for a large corporate company in Burlington.
Since graduation, I've springboarded into my play-by-play broadcasting career in minor league baseball.
I work at BU in education media.
I'm still living down in the Nashville area, and I work at my church in their communication department.
Got hired by a company out in East Hampton. It's a wedding video company.
I'm coming to you from the set of the Dan Patrick Show, which is on about 370 radio stations around the country, as well as Peacock, the streaming platform from NBC Universal. I am the Director of Operations for iHeartMedia, and I handle all production, technical, and business operations for the Dan Patrick Show, as well as direct the video feed of the show.
If you're considering the communication department at Westfield State, I would 1000% recommend it.
I can't recommend Westfield State's comm department highly enough.
If you have any needs or questions, Westfield State, I think the communication department there is a great resource and a great place to get your education.